me I'll be dope until never happens. I'm ill till forever ends. If you ain't know me when the struggle happened, just remember we ain't never friends. My pops for all of his love, my mom for all of that labor, my girl for holding me down, and my dogs for lending me paper. Oh, nobody in the world, no favors. I started at the street, aiming for the skyscrapers.
The difference between fourth and one and first and goal is in your soul. Depending on how much you gas yourself is how far you gon' go. I'm too down to go hard for this, too down to get scarred for this. I already broke 2 bank accounts and 10,000 miles on my car for this.
It's safe to say I feel blessed. I've been slept on for like 3 years, so it's safe to say I feel rested up. Even though I don't resting up, I do supersets with this microphone, bitch. That's why I feel like the man on 10 whenever I go home. Like what?